You can't beat that. Made it at home in 8 minutes. So good. Hey guys, Mr. Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a stay-at-home dad who's been a stay-at-home dad for over a decade, and I'm just here to help you get or stay fit. So let me show you a quick lunch idea that I did yesterday, and made in under 10 minutes. So easy, anybody can do it. Check this out. It's Just Bare lightly breaded chicken breast spicy bites. Air fryer for 8 minutes at 350, and then I'm gonna add them to this Mission protein, and then just gonna add some vegetables in there. This one has romaine lettuce, broccoli, red cabbage, carrot, and green cabbage. So you get your vegetables in there. Then I'm gonna hit it with the Frank's Red Hot dip, and that's it. It's made in under 10 minutes, so anybody can do it. If you're looking for a quick meal, it's gonna put you at around 40 grams of protein. Pop them in here, make sure you weigh it out. This is 6 ounces of the chicken, so 2 servings. 2 servings of the chicken, and this should be done in just a second. Crispy chicken there. Use them on your tortilla. Protein tortilla here. Remember, hit it with this is optional, but I like to give a little more spice. Because vegetables are good for you, go ahead and add some veggies. 8 minutes. Look how good that looks. It smells great too. So you got about 40 grams of protein. Real quick, see you at the table. Made in 8 minutes. Okay. Lightly breaded chicken breast spicy bites. That's what I used. You put them in the air fryer, they come out great. Protein tortilla to get you some more protein. So this is coming in at, let's see here, 40 grams of protein, around 23 carbs, and 17 grams of fat. Now it's time to eat. Really good. It smells great. Hit it with the Frank's Red Hot and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to drop me a comment. Let me know what you think, and I'll keep coming with these quick and easy meals that anybody can cook to get your protein, to stay lean, to stay inside of your fitness goals. So thanks again for watching. Let's go.